Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong.
Kajialang joko kanhon menteri hakan riu terek matobna yayong arajar arpo kalarai bansa ban sedang biang yaki jing pentrei yaki jing tei balamang pisa dek sorkar nadu usnam arajar kat khandai bakan top yaki jing tei yeng bat kisurong henry ki kontraktor ki dei pat ban perkheng bha yaki nong bala badai ban buat theng yaki jing patha jong sorkar ban kiar na kajing sapriang ukhunyang jing pang COVID-19
decided that from 15th of this month construction works like road construction and other allied developmental programs sanctioned by the government during the last year is also allowed to restart. Then we also decided that weekly markets where we used to have in the rural areas, this also will be allowed to open. But strict protocols has to be followed.